What's up, guys? This is Will of Will's Gadgets and More, back with another video, taking a look at a Type-C charging station. So this was sent out to me by a company called Kovol, so a big shout out to them for sending this over for a review. This is the Kovol Spirit 120 watt 4-port PD fast laptop charger. Now you can pick this up on Amazon.com for $99.99. They're also offering a $15 coupon that you can apply to lower the price a little bit. I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. So let's take a look at a few of the features and details right quick. This is a total of 120 watts output. Abundant power allows for charging multiple high-demand devices, such as your MacBook Pro 16-inch. This features dual 60-watt PD outputs. Deliver high-speed charging to 2 MacBooks at the same time. Now you can charge 4 different devices at one time. Intelligently distributes optical power to each device. Now the charging will briefly disconnect about 0.2 seconds. When another device is connected, it's a normal charging situation. You guys see, you got different wattage coming out, 65 PD, 65 watts. PD's 20 watts, QC 18 watts, and QC 18 watts. So this features Frontier GaN technology, smaller and cooler with higher charging performance. This is 37% smaller than other 100-watt chargers. This supports PD 3.0, QC 3.0, and PPS charging. So with your MacBook Pros, you're going to get 60/87 watts. On your MacBook Airs and Dell XPS 13s, 45 watts. And for your iPad Pros, your Nintendo Switches, your Samsung Galaxy 21s, your Galaxy Tab A's, 25 watts, 18 watts, or 20 watts. So that is what you're going to get. I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to go ahead and read some more about this device. But here's the packaging that it comes in. Kovol Charging Mate GaN PD Sprint 120 watt PD 4-port GaN desktop charger. This is the box. It has a little weight to it. Let's go ahead and crack the tape here. And no, I haven't bought a new unboxing knife yet. Gonna use that one till it completely falls apart. So in the packaging, you're gonna get a thank you card. You get a user's guide here. That's going to tell you everything that you need to know. Look like in a couple of different languages there. And then you get the charging station here. So you got your plug in here. Regular plug in to your outlet there. Let's get into this. Check it out. Now it does have a little weight to it, so be mindful of that. Here it is. So you got some branding right there, Kovol. This is where you're going to plug it in, 120 watts PD 4-port desktop charger. And then here is where you're going to have your different ports here. You got 2 USB ports here, quick charge, and you got 2 Type-C charging ports there. You're going to have some indicator lights down here at the bottom as well. So we're going to get this plugged in, and we're going to test it out. I'm going to get 4 devices. And we're going to check this out and make sure that it works and charge everything up. So let me get to the next part of the video. Okay, guys, so we're back in. I have power to the Kovol 4-port charging station. As you guys see, there's some indicator lights down here at the bottom. I got 4 devices here. I got my MacBook Air M1, got my Microsoft Surface Go 3, my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, and my Apple iPhone 13 Pro, and I have wires going to each one of them already, so we're going to plug them in one by one. MacBook Air M1 is going to go into the USB-A. As you guys hear, it is charging that. Next, the Microsoft Surface Go 3, we're going to charge that into one of the Type-C. Now, it's not going to make an audible sound, but there is a little charge indicator right here, if you guys can see it. It is charging. Next, we're going to do the iPhone 13 Pro and see if it'll charge. So this is going to go into the Type C, the other one. And there it is. It is charging. You guys see? And then the last one is going to be the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. Now there are wires everywhere here, guys. So just making sure that they charge all of them. And there it is. So all of them are charging. They're all going to be distributed different power accordingly. You can see that your indicator lights are going there, all four of them in place. All right, guys, so as you guys see, everything is charging. Let's finish off the video. Okay, guys, so this has been my look at the Kovol 120 watt 4-port desktop charger. You guys see, you can see those little indicator lights there now. Nice, sleek, compact, charges up a lot of devices at one time. I will drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. Catch you guys in the next video. Wheels, gadgets, and more. I'm out.